Hello, it's Alexander here. Look, this is going to be a very odd video, but it's going to talk about my disdain for the apparent phenomenon that is slime. It is disgusting. It is messy. It is a waste of money. It is absolutely terrible in every way possible I can think of. I can't believe how many people make YouTube videos on this bloody thing. What the hell? Seriously, what the hell? Can someone explain to me what the hell is up with it? Why people do this? Because this is just terrible. Yeah. A lot of people do it. In America, in England, probably all over the world. I think it's absolutely nasty. And it gets everywhere. It's a right mess. Making it, and once you've made it, actually using the stuff. If it was up to me, it wouldn't even exist. I'm going to tell you that now. Because it's absolutely... I cannot stress how much I hate it. Okay? Yeah, I absolutely hate it. In every way whatsoever. Bye.